Yes, welcome back my dear children. See here, now we are going to moving to the next lesson. Okay, my dear children. On seeing this slide, you can easily guess what topic we are going to see. Tell me my dear children, see this slide and tell me what topic we are going to see. I can't hear you my dear children. Yes? Off we go. Yes, very good. This is the topic of our lesson. Okay, in this lesson we are going to learn about the transport. Okay my dear children, yes, I hope you all know something about transport. Yes, because in our grade 1 session you were learnt about that. Yes, okay, continue to that point only we are going to learn in this lesson also. Okay my dear children. Yes, okay, see here I gave an image of an aeroplane, train, car, ship. Okay, related to this only now we are going to see in this lesson. Okay my dear children, are you all ready? Yes, modes of transport. Okay my dear children, modes of transport, which means we are traveling from one place to another. No, for that purpose only we are preferring the transport. No my dear children, not only ourselves, if we want to get something from others also, the things also we can get from others through the transport. Okay my dear children, so this is we are saying as a modes of transport. Okay, that transport is divided into three categories. Okay my dear children, what are they? See here, transport is divided into three types, that is land transport, water transport and air transport. Okay my dear children, transport is divided into three categories, that is land transport, water transport and air transport. Okay my dear children, are you clear in this? Yes, see here, now I am going to show you the images. See this image, this is the land transport. Okay, this is the water transport and this is the air transport. Okay, see here in this GIF also I showed you. Know this is what type of transport is this my dear children? Tell me, what type of transport is this? This is air transport. Yes, very good. What type of transport is this? This is the land transport. Yes, the train is also moving in the train usually moving in the track. Okay my dear children, the track is also located in the road. No, land. No, so this is we can say as a land transport. The car, yes, absolutely, the car is also the land transport. Okay, this is ship. Yes, the ship. Say me, what type of transport is this? Water transport. Yes, the ship is water transport. Are you clear in this my dear children? Transport is divided into three categories, that is the land transport, water transport and air transport. Are you clear? Yes, very good. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes my dear children, see here there are many vehicles are here. Okay, with the name, this is truck, school bus, ambulance, bicycle, motorcycle, lorry, bus, taxi, police car. See here mixture, which means for that building construction they are using this type of vehicle. Okay my dear children, ship, helicopter, micro, parachute, zeppelin, van. Okay, these are all the vehicles usually we are in our day-to-day life we are using. Okay my dear children, which means that ship and all we can, if you want to travel in the water, that time we can travel in the ship or else boat. Okay my dear children, yes, if you are visiting that Kerala, if you get any chance to go Kerala, that time don't forget to visit that boat house. Okay my dear children, really that is a very nice place. Okay, yes, see here my dear children, these are all the vehicles and the means of water transport. This is water transport. Ship and boat is a water transport, like that car, bus, lorry, scooter, that is we are saying as a land transport. Air transport is hot air balloon, aeroplane, helicopter, parachute. These are all the air transport. Okay my dear children, are you clear in that? Yes, very good. Now we saw about the transport, okay, and also this transport I hope you are all learnt in grade 1, okay. So now we are going to see what are all the rules if you are traveling in the road, okay my dear children. We are traveling in the transport, okay, but the transport we are moving, no, that is we are with the help of the road only we are moving, okay my dear children. So some rules and regulation that we want to follow in the road, that I am going to tell you now, okay my dear children. What is this my dear children, tell me? This is traffic signal. Yes, very good, this is traffic signal. What light, what color of light is this? Red, yellow, green. Yes, red, yellow, green. There are three colors for the traffic, okay my dear children. Yes, see here, this red color denotes that if you are going to cross one side to another side, there is a red color light is ready. That time you should stop your vehicles, okay my dear children. Red denotes to stop your vehicles, okay. Red denotes to stop your vehicles. And the light, see here, the yellow light, okay. The yellow light, you can get ready to move, okay. You can get ready to move, which means you can start the bike or else car, okay. Just you can get ready to move from one place to another. After green light you can move, okay my dear children. The green light is telecast, you can move from one place to another. Are you clear? Yes, here are some symbols, which means if that symbol denotes some information, okay my dear children. See here, this is for no smoking, they denotes like this. No parking, they denotes like this. No camera, which means we should not use camera on that place, okay. Not turned on lights, okay, which means here you should not turn on lights, okay. Some of them are daytime also they are on the lights while they are traveling to some places. Daytime also they are switch on the lights, okay my dear children. So we should not do like that. For this symbol we have to stop our light, which means the dark light we should not show to the opposite persons, okay my dear children. Yes, and not a voice, okay my dear children. Not a voice means that in that place we should not make a horn sound, okay. Not a voice means that place we should not make a horn sound. Car not enter, okay. This is the car will not enter that place, that is here they denotes like this. Caution, which means flammable. See here, here also we should not go. No phone, we should not use mobile phone, okay. These are all the some symbols that denotes we should not do like that. We should not behave to like that we should, okay my dear children, we should not do. This is the some unwanted, some we should not do like that some rules are there, okay my dear children. Are you clear? Yes, very good. And this is the zebra crossing, okay. If you want to cross from one place to another place, that time using the zebra crossing only you need to cross the road, okay. Are you clear my dear children? Yes, okay, bye bye, take care.